guys, welcome to AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix this page isn't working error of Google Chrome in Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, this type of problem mostly comes when your internet connectivity is not working or your Wi-Fi is not working. So if your internet connectivity or Wi-Fi is working properly, then I will show you some of the settings from which you can solve your problem. First of all, you need to open the setting. You can see here SIM card and mobile data. Click on this. You have to select from which your mobile data is allowed. Suppose from SIM 1 my mobile data is allowed, then select SIM 1. Guys, in this once you have to enable and disable. First you have to disable this option and again enable it. After enabling this, your network will be restarted. After doing this, downside you can see access point name. Click on this. Guys, in this top right side 2 dot, click on this. Once you have to click on reset access point. After doing this, once you have to restart your mobile and check whether it is working or not. If still it is not working, then I will show you other setting. Open setting, scroll down a little bit. Guys, you can see here app management. Click on this. Click on app list. Then search here Google Chrome. You can see here Chrome. Click on this. Guys, you can see here storage usage. Just click on this. You can see here cache. Once you have to click on clear cache. After doing this, once you have to click on clear data also. After doing this, your all Google Chrome data will be cleared. After doing this, once you have to click on force stop. Again click on force stop. Once you have to restart your mobile. Hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix this page isn't working error of Chrome in Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.